Hi, it's John McCague with Lepage RCR at Alliston. This short video is regarding surveys. In-town properties, the newer ones generally have a plan of subdivision showing the boundaries and the locations of the houses, locations of the streets. But this is more to do with survey, which is more to do with rural properties. It needs to show at the very minimal the dimensions of the property, and it should also preferably show the buildings and structures thereon. Surveys should be prepared by an Ontario certified land surveyor, and it should have their seal, but it should also have the date that it was done and also the legal description of the property, just to make sure that the survey relates to the specific property. So surveys can be very simple, or they can be very complex, depending on what the property is and what's located on the property. The importance of a survey is that anybody looking at a property, whether they're the owner or potential buyer of the property or somebody working on the property, they want to know what they're looking at. So they want to know where the boundaries are, and sometimes property, there's no distinguishing marks showing the boundary of the property, such as fences. So a survey shows in relation to where the driveway is or where buildings are. It will show you the number of feet to the edge of the property. The reason why this is important is if you're doing any work on the property, you're selling the property, or you run into any disputes with other property owners adjacent to you, that you have a survey in front of you and you're able to discuss it based on what the survey shows. If you don't have a survey done, you should have one done. If you're looking for a copy of your survey, as long as you have the legal description, you can go to www.ontariolandsurveys.com and you can search by legal description for that. Other places you can contact are your lawyer, or you could actually go up to the land registry office in your area that services your area and see if they have copies. There will be a cost incurred for that, but it's generally cheaper than having a new survey done. If survey is too old, if there's been a lot of changes to the property, or if it's you think that something has changed that isn't reflected on the current survey, you should have it updated. It's very important. Quite often lending institutions will want it for financial purposes, so it's quite often asked for in a offer to purchase. So if you have any questions regarding surveys or any other topics regarding real estate, please feel free to contact me. If you're thinking about buying or selling, I'd also appreciate hearing from you. If you hear of somebody thinking about buying or selling, referrals are one of the greatest compliments a realtor can receive. I'd certainly appreciate receiving a referral from you. Feel free to contact me. My name is John McCague. I'm with Lepage RCR at Alliston. My address in Alliston is 7 Victoria Street West in Alliston. My local line is 705-791-2221. My local line is 705-435-3000. My Toronto line is 1-866-772-5368. My direct line is 705-791-2221. My email is johnmccaig@royallepage.ca. My website is www.johnmccaigsells.ca. My business page on Facebook is @John McCague Realtor. So feel free to contact me any of those ways. Thanks very much for your time, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks. Bye for now.